Over 180,000 birds affected every year near telecom towers. Bright lights and electromagnetic waves disturb navigation, leading to collisions. Our innovative system utilizes a Raspberry Pi camera to capture real-time footage of approaching birds, ensuring constant vigilance. Using advanced AI, YWellO-V8 instantly detects and outlines a bird with precision in every frame. Following detection, the cropped bird image is passed to MobileNet V3, which identifies the bird species, crow, pigeon, eagle, or another. When a bird is detected, the Raspberry Pi activates a UV blinking light, designed to safely redirect the bird from the tower. If the bird continues approaching despite the UV light, speaker plays species-specific warning sound to deter it. The complete workflow involves live video capture, followed by YWellO-V8 detection, MobileNet V3 classification, UV warning, and speaker alert. This AI-powered solution offers a crucial and effective way to protect birds and reduces collisions around telecom towers.